Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a web developer looking to supercharge your productivity, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing my top 5 productivity tools that will help you code faster, manage projects more efficiently, and streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. The first on my list is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight yet powerful code editor developed by Microsoft with features like IntelliSense, debugging, Git integration, and an extensive library of extensions. VS Code is an essential tool for any web developer aiming to boost productivity. Next on my list is GitHub. GitHub is a critical tool for version control and collaboration. It allows developers to manage their code repositories, work with teams, and track changes over time. With features like pull requests and issue tracking, GitHub is indispensable for any serious developer. Another very useful tool on my list is Figma. Figma is a cloud-based design tool ideal for UI UX designers and developers. It enables real-time collaboration on design prototypes and simplifies the handoff process between designers and developers, making it a key tool for any web development project. Next, we have Postman. Postman is an API client that makes it easy to test and interact with APIs. For web developers working with RESTful APIs, Postman streamlines the process of testing endpoints, debugging issues, and documenting API calls, making it an essential part of the development toolkit. And finally, we have Jira. Jira is a robust project management tool designed for agile teams. It helps you track tasks, manage sprints, and stay organized throughout the development process. With powerful features like customizable workflows and integration, Jira is an important tool for web developers managing complex projects. And that's it for my top 5 productivity tools for web developers. These tools have transformed the way I work, and I'm sure they will do the same for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips, tools, and tutorials to enhance your web development workflow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.